Are your kids spending way too much time in front of a screen this summer already?
Well, we have 2 boredom buster ideas that they will love that will get them away from those screens.
Well, we hope at least, right?
We're
helping.
Yes, we think it's gonna work.
Yes, okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to make Play-Doh. Modeling clay at home, it's really easy. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. So all you need is a saucepan, a spoon, 2 cups salt,
Okay.
2/3 cup water, 1 cup cornstarch, and a 1/2 cup cold water.
Awesome.
That's it, that's all you need
We
to
have
have.
all the ingredients right here in front of you.
Yes. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, first of all, you're gonna take salt. Now,
That
this
looks like a lot of salt, Kari.
But you know what? We did it this morning already, and this is absolutely what you need. We weren't wrong. So you stir in salt.
I'll
You
hold
stir
this
for
spoon
me. Okay.
While
do this.
we get the salt in.
It is a lot of salt.
A lot of salt, okay.
We went out to the Great Salt Lake and just apparently emptied everything. Okay, and then you're gonna do water.
Okay.
So it's 2/3 cup water.
All right, and then as this heats, the salt is going to dissolve, I'm guessing.
Yep, it'll dissolve once there. You stir it up really good.
Okay.
That takes about 4 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
So obviously make sure an adult is doing this part. So you're gonna stir that, then you can have kids help with the next part. So
Okay.
you can have them help pour in. So you're gonna remove that from heat after 4 to 5 minutes, let
Okay.
it cool, and then you're gonna pour in the cornstarch.
So this is the magic of TV. We don't have 4 to 5 minutes to let this go, but we're showing you
Right
how
away.
to make it.
Right away. Okay, so that is 1 cup cornstarch.
Okay.
And then you're going to add 1/2 cup cold water. Make sure it's cold.
All right.
That helps dissolve everything. Now
Okay.
add that in, keep stirring.
Okay.
And the kids can help with the stirring, that makes it fun. And then you have this.
Then we come
after
over
a little
here.
bit, yes.
The magic of TV, and you end up with this.
You end up with this lovely,
Homemade modeling clay.
and it's so much fun. So what you can do is we've put it into shapes. We did a little snail, a heart, flower, rose, and then you can paint them,
Oh, that's so fun.
which is fun. It dries after a little bit, so you want to make sure to kind of get it molded quickly. You can probably add water to rehydrate it.
So if I wanted to paint, obviously I went for the pink here.
I went for the pink. Let's
Yes.
see. Let's do. I'll get
I'm
a yellow
gonna.
one.
I feel like the snail would really like a pink shell.
I like the pink shell for the
I,
snail.
the snail told me so.
He said, "Please make me pink." Okay,
That
then
is
we're gonna
so
do maybe a
fun.
bright neon flower. So you can add glitter. You could add, I mean, all sorts of little crafts, little jewels.
And I love, they can probably paint outside.
Yeah.
So, and that gets them outside. All right, so I have this other boredom buster we have over here.
I'll keep painting while you do that.
I call this the dice game. So my cousin is like a mom extraordinaire. She's very crafty. Her kids are always doing things.
And your nephews are so cute, by
Oh,
the way.
they are my favorite. So I was inspired by her to do this. So you just simply go to a search engine, Google how to make your own dice, and you can print off this paper. Your kids can color it, they can decorate it. You cut it out, you're gonna wanna help them by cutting it out. And then you just fold the pieces over and it just kind of comes together like this. Really, really easy. Fold it together and you end up with this little guy. You
That's
tape
so
it.
fun.
And then when they roll the dice, depending on the number is the activity they need to do. So we have this list. Kari and I came up with about 10 items. Obviously there's only 6 sides, but we have 10 items. A dance party is a fun thing. Doing jumping jacks, running in place. The floor is lava. Have them act like the floor is lava
My
for
daughter
30 seconds.
loves the floor is lava.
Act like their favorite animal. How fast can you run? Say, you know, go outside and then come back in, see how fast you can do it. Play a freeze game, do a cartwheel. Kids think they could do cartwheels. It's really fun to watch.
It really doesn't turn into a cartwheel, but it's fun.
Hop on one foot, and then the color game, which is go outside, find something blue, come in and tell me. So it just really gets them moving. So there you go.
I did a little FL on this for Fresh Living. I don't know if we can see, but ta-da!
There we go, 2 boredom
it's
busters.
Not great, but you know what? We had fun doing it,
I
didn't
think
we?
it's beautiful. There we
Yes.
go.
Thanks, Elora. So much fun.